Hi everybody, Rob McFadden here. Today I wanted to talk about what I feel are the real dangers of the psychostimulant medications like Ritalin and Adderall. I'm not talking about people who purposefully obtain these medications to misuse them, whether through a doctor or on the streets, getting the medication to get high, to get intoxicated, to sell them, putting the medication up their nose, smoking it. These are not the people I'm talking about today. The people I'm talking about are well-intentioned people who get a diagnosis, perhaps ADHD, hear treatment options, select a psychostimulant like Adderall as a treatment option, are monitored by a doctor, but still run into trouble. Okay, 4 categories: the adverse effects of the medicines, sleep, bad habits, and problematic thoughts. Let's start with the adverse effects. These medicines are incredibly effective, but do have some serious side effects. At each meeting, the doctor should be talking with you about tics, tremors, irritability, insomnia, palpitations, dry mouth, headache, to name a few. Also occasionally monitoring heart rate and blood pressure. If any of these is problematic, it should be addressed. For instance, dry mouth doesn't seem like a big deal, but dry mouth is what can lead to cavities, and cavities can lead to bad dental health, and that can be very problematic and complicated. So making sure that these are discussed and addressed with the doctor is critically important. Number 2, people who start trying to cheat sleep with these medicines. What do I mean by that? People think, oh, I could get an extra hour, 2 or 3 of functioning out of the day if I just squeeze sleep by an hour or 2 or 3. What's the problem with that? The substrate that these medications work on is sleep. If you don't have a good night's sleep, you don't have the resources necessary to combine with these medicines to optimize your functioning. A good night's sleep is the critically important ingredient to refuel those resources, even like the biochemistry of the medications. So people that try to cheat sleep with the medicines. Number 3, bad habits. Some reflection on what is it I'm doing with my more optimal functioning with the medications. In other words, the medications are very effective at helping you maximize your cognition. What habits are you then fueling to with these medicines? Furthermore, some reflection on if your behaviors are helping the medicines optimize your cognition. Are you exercising, sleeping well? Are you eating healthy? Are you challenging yourself mentally? So category 3, bad habits. Category number 4, negative thoughts. What do I mean by that? If a person's in a depressive state, if a person's in an anxious episode and they take one of those medicines, the medicines can unfortunately increase your focus on that problematic thought process and accelerate the depression, accelerate the anxiety experience, increase our body's reaction to the thoughts. How you manage that, if it comes up, if you're experiencing that, should definitely be discussed with your doctor, and some strategy for managing that should be developed. Okay, I hope this video was helpful, interesting. If you're concerned about a loved one's use of a medicine that I mentioned today, like Adderall or Ritalin, please feel free to share it. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Okay, look forward to seeing you again soon.